In this tutorial, we're going to look at making a surface using curves. And we're going to go back to a very simple drawing we made earlier, which is the 4 by 4 inch drawing. So let's just do 4 inches, and 4 inches, enter. Click 4 inches, again, 4, across, 4. And we can just finish it off like this, just 4 inches. Now we're going to go to the spline tool. Remember the spline tool we used in a demonstration? You click, click, double click. So we're going to click. This time click in the midpoint and then double click on the end point. Again, start there again. Clicking once. Once again the midpoint. Double click at the end point. Click one end point. Midpoint once. Double click twice. That's done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of those lines. We don't need them anymore. The ambiguity box pops up. We get rid of the lines. I'm going to go over here. Actually, the default, it looks like this. I just was using it. So the default looks like this. And you're going to hold down and grab over to this one here, which is cover surface. There's two ways of doing this. You can grab the cursor and grab it all the way across. I'm using my trackpad, which is not so fast. It's one way of doing it. I want to do that. Or in this case, because all we have going here is the 4 lines, I can click this and do Apple A, and it picks all 4 and chooses them. I'm now going to try and tilt this a little bit, or I'll actually do it this way. I'll go to View and I'll do Isometric again. I want to pick the, go back to the Selection tool and choose, scroll over the spline and then pick it up and just move it up a little bit. Over here, you're going to come over here, cover over there till that spline, that point lights up, and point down. You might just want to keep on going for these two here, just up and down. The designer who made this software he's a pretty incredible guy, and he designed the software for the Lockheed, the F-16, the F-22. So you can see why I like it for my art, because I've just drawn a beautiful shape in about 20 seconds. And this is how I make my art. But you can see how easy it is to make this. And so that is how you do a surface drawing. I'll come back to Command 3 to get top view. And you can see sort of how the lighting has changed. It's not just all flat, because now the software is seeing that there's elevation changes. It's a very simple program for doing cover surfaces. If I want to go a big step further, I'll again go back up to View, Isometric. If I want this to be a surface that has really no density, so I want it to have density, I come back here and I click on this tool till I do Extrude. Now, extrusion in industry means you take a piece of material and you push it through a die. You've probably seen it on aluminum pieces, but this is a way of explaining it. So I click on the surface, I go endpoint, click, endpoint, click, and now I have a solid. So if I'm doing something such as solid modeling, I can't email a surface. It has no, it has no depth, has no substance. In order to get substance, I have to make it into a solid. Again, there are tools we've used before. We've used the shell tool, so I could go up and shell it, going to ask me to put top. Oh, the top's shelled. And there we go. So we have a nice, interesting shape that you can see probably dimensionally. Again, very easy to do.